Hello everyone, this is Hw10. So today I'm going to talk about the question 2 for homework 10. So question 2 is from lecture notes page 1 to 50, get the definitions of properties of stochastic processes. So the first one is y-sense stationary process. So y-sense stationary process is ext equals to mu equals to constant and r T1 T2 equals to R T1 minus T2. The second one is independent increment process. So it is xt1 minus t2 and xt3 minus xt4 on non-overlapping intervals are independent. The third one is Markov process. Markov process is has no influence on the future when the present is known. The fourth one is normal process. Normal process is fx x1 x2 to the xn and t1 t2 to the tn equals to 1 over 2x to the n and of the square root and the square root of that c times e to the negative 1 over 2 times x minus mu t times c to the t and times x minus mu. So the random variables from t1 to the xt1 to the xtn are jointly normal for any n and any t1 t2 to the tn. So for question 5 is strict sense stationary process. So the strict sense stationary process is fx x1 x2 to the xn and t1 t2 to the tn equals to fx x1 to the xn, and for the next one is t1 plus epsilon, t2 plus epsilon to the tn plus epsilon. So for sixth one is white noise. White noise is dt equals to d omega t over dt and time to the e dt equals to 0 and rd t1 t2 equals to alpha u t1 minus t2. The seven is mean ergodic process. The mean ergodic process is limit t to the infinity 1 over 2t and the integral from negative t to the t xt dt equals to ext in mean square sense. And for last one is martingales. Martingales is ext or xs equals to x1 where s is always is smaller or equals to t. So these are the solution to the question 2 of homework 10.